is homework number 5, and we're going to do problem number 5. In this problem, you're going to be subtracting two complex expressions, 7 minus 2i, subtract 4 minus 5i. Now, even though in this case I is not a variable, it's actually a number, it's that imaginary number that mathematicians made up, you can treat it like a variable, and you can subtract this expression from this one just as you did when you had variables where the I is. So in order to take off the parentheses, though, we're going to need to do the opposite of each term inside the parentheses. If we look at these parentheses, there's nothing in front of them, nothing that needs to be multiplied, no sign to apply. So I can just take those parentheses off. But as I take the second set of parentheses off, so that I can eventually combine my like terms, I need to make sure I subtract 4 and do the opposite, think of this as opposite now, of subtracting 5i. So the opposite of subtracting 5i is going to be add 5i. Now, I'm going to look for like terms. Obviously, plain numbers are alike, and now be careful. This is 7 subtract 4. Or if you like, think of it as 7 add the opposite of 4, 7 plus negative 4. I'm going to put those two terms together. 7 plus negative 4, or 7 subtract 4, is 3. Alright, now I'm going to look at the other two terms that are left, and they are indeed alike. I've got minus 2i and plus 5i. Notice how I said minus 2i. We'll just grab that subtraction sign and treat it like a negative sign now. And since negative 2 plus 5, negative 2 plus 5 is 3, that's a positive 3, we're going to write plus 3i. 3 plus 3i is the answer, our complex expression.